Hello sir, you know, visit mo niya sa play first sir. Kina-ride sa itong stop cross. Natin airkin nila sir, natin carnival. Rain trans na sir.
Opat me. Ayan. Thank you. There's ano here. Take picture there, Dave. You want? Then you. Dave, magpa-picture daw kami ha. Daw 3 minutes na la. O 3%. The tops. At the top. At the top. At the top. Mauna ni. Kani. Kinet.
Gerard.
Yeah, there. beautiful.
So many people.
Yeah.
I wonder what the rent is for the restaurant. Must be really expensive.
Gusto talaga niya ako ba? Hindi nagpapakahulap. You cannot wait. Hindi din
Look at
halo.
this, guys. Special fucking occasion.
Very special. Sila yung naghahanap ng ano eh, disgrasya tapos nakakapagdamay ng iba.
He's almost famous. That guy that tried to overtake there could have been on the news. See?
Ayan o, wala, nag-overtake talaga sila.
Come on.
Ikaw talaga yung mag-ano dyan, adjust. Look, they overtake.
Yeah, because it's normal. You know?
Nagmamadali sila
The law,
talaga.
the law exists only as, you know, advice. Yeah. It's not a law. It's
Nagmamadali.
just a suggestion.
Here.
Yeah, in the Philippines.
Suggestion
Di ba,
lang.
Kenneth? The
Nagsasuggest
people
sila ng
that drive,
smile na lang si ano kuya eh.
the law is not really law. It's just suggestion.
No, no. It's happening all the time in Valenzuela, no? It's bloody mobile. School drivers. Yeah, always overtaking, always over the line.
Ah,
Always, all the time.
You know, when they read that,
dapat
like-
talaga maging ano ka.
So they can go everywhere.
Ah, Timpalaglia here. Ah, okay. Dito na. Wow. Ayan o. Papunta na tayo sa mountain na naman. Mountain.
you know, everybody here has to study the law when
Yeah.
they drive. So
Of
they
course.
could, because it pertains to the other drivers, not me. So I know for sure it's for the other guy's fault.
I know. Which applies to others. Both apply to me.
Exactly. Yeah.
Uy, may mga
Wow,
naglalakad
you
pa o.
walked here, girl.
Oh my God. Sexy pa. Sexy pa naman sila ka-short. They are using shorts. Nako po.
Not type.
Ay, nako po. Agoy. Maano kasi maaraw.
Lasa.
Lasa. Ano
What's
yun?
that?
Filipino kitchen. Malasa.
That's a restaurant.
Malasa siya.
Here.
Ah, there's the Kumasigayama. There's parking.
Maris?
Kenneth City.
Kuya, para sa'yo. Baka magutom ka mamaya.
Don't worry, we didn't eat out of it, so
Yeah.
this is clean. Don't worry, promise. I brushed my teeth 2
Marami-
weeks ago.
Marami
No,
kasi
it's
nga
okay.
ano pala sila doon, food.
Was a serving spoon, right?
That's fine.
Ah,
You pay your admission. There's admission booth here.
pero we can still go.
Yes, of
Ah.
course.
Siguro nakapunta na dito si Derek Ramsey, pinapunta na siya dito. For sure.
Who? Gordon Ramsay?
Derek Ramsey, the
Who's that? His brother?
husband of Ellen Adarna, Darna. Ang tawag ito ng apo day. Yeah, the granddaughter.
Oh, special. You could cut the line.
Go.
Oh, yeah. You can cut.
Ah, okay.
They are parked. Maybe.
Is this part?
Now it's called they are.
Ay, may mga bahay pala siya. Ay, papasok. Ah, sige. Sasabihin na lang ni Kuya kung papuntahin na kita yun.
Pwede lang. Pwede na babae na tapos mag-interest lang kayo dun, ma'am.
Oh, sige, sige. Baba na. Diyan na lang na baba.
Sabihin niya may sasakyan papasok.
May sasakyan. Sige, sige. Hindi talaga mawawala yung ano, yapan nila kasi hello, madam. How are you, madam? Nino. Puro ka lang, madam. Nandito tayo sa Paris.
Monsieur, yung camera, monsieur.
Mister.
Monsieur.
O, diba? Nasa Paris tayo. Dir na yaot, kinaka din na iya. We can go there, babe.
Huh?
There.
There.
This
I don't know if you can go over here.
Ay, sorry. Oh, maano naman yung wag ka lang tumingin sa baba. Nagdudula. Maano naman yung ano mo. Ulo mo dyan. Let's go inside the...
I've been here already.
You don't wanna go there?
Hey, drink a coffee or something. You go. You go.
Okay. Tara din.
Sacrificio Flamingo, mga huli kita tayo.
Dali na po, pero